Hey my Harmonies, welcome back to my first press-on nails tutorial for 2026 with the Classy Premium Nails from Kiss. If you want to know how to apply them securely and have them last, then just keep watching. These are the previous nails that I had on. They lasted for about 3 to 4 weeks, but it was time for me to take them off. I have to clean my nails and cuticles, of course, so I'm going to be using this cuticle softener. I'm going to be applying the softener by using a Q-tip. Honestly, I never started using a cuticle softener until like maybe 2 or 3 years ago. They break down, hydrate, and loosens dry, dead skin around the nail plate, making it essential for a clean, professional looking manicure. Now I'm going in with the cuticle pusher to help push my cuticles back to help me prepare them before I go in with the cuticle trimmers. All of the nail tools and supplies, including the press-on nails, I will have linked down below, and everything will be listed on my Amazon storefront. I don't know if this is a rare thing or what, but I grow a lot of cuticle skin, so I literally be having a lot of dead skin that I have to cut off, and I do cut my cuticles at least once a month. And let me know if you guys deal with the same thing or not, because I'm very curious about that. Next, I'm going in with my cuticle trimmers to cut off the dead skin. One of you guys asked me if it hurts when you use a cuticle trimmer. It's actually not supposed to hurt, and if it does hurt, then you're too close to your cuticle. You just don't want to trim that close, just only cut off the dead skin. You also want to have that fresh, clean look with your natural nails for when you apply your press-on nails. This is optional too, but I prefer trimming my nails before I apply the press-on nails because I notice when my nails are short and nubby, the press-ons last way longer versus when I have length to my nails with the press-on nails. Personally, that doesn't really work out for me. Some people it does, but for me it doesn't. Once I'm finished with this step, I go ahead and wash my hands. These are the press-on nails that I'm going to be using from Kiss. This is from their Classy Nails Premium line. This was my first time trying them out, and I actually really love them. These are so pretty, very classy. Even though they are long, they still give off that classy look. I also like the shape of the nails because they have a slight curve to them so they can fit your nail properly, and they're durable. They can last up to 14 days, but knowing me and the tips that I give you guys, they can last a little bit longer. Another product that I love using and that's really essential for me to use is this nail dehydrator that I've been using for the past 2 or 3 years now, but I noticed that it's really been making a difference for my press-on nails to last. Next, I'm going to be using this cuticle buffer, and I'm going to be using the rough side to help lightly scratch my nail bed so the press-on nails can last longer. I'm using the Kiss nail glue that comes with the press-on nails, and I actually love this glue. I always use this glue. It's my favorite. I really want to try more glues, so let me know in the comments if you guys have any favorite press-on nail glues that I should try. I'm just applying enough glue to the nail, then kind of sliding the nail onto my natural nail, and I'm holding onto it for about 10 to 20 seconds. I don't do 5 seconds, 8 seconds. No, it needs to be held down for 20-30 seconds just to make sure that it's really settled onto my nail. They're so cute and so girly. I just love them so much. Next, I'm going to be using the nail file that came with the press-on nails, and I wanted them to be more sharper. When they have more of that sharp look to them, it makes them look like acrylic nails to me. By the way, these nails are only under $10. Now to really achieve that fresh manicure look, I am going in with this Vaseline hand cream. This hand cream is affordable and long lasting. It hydrates and moisturizes your skin, cuticles, and all of that, and I love using it. And lastly, I'm going in with this L'Occitane nail and cuticle oil, and this is going to help lock in all of the moisture that my cuticles highly need, especially for this winter time. It's a long lasting too, so I don't have to keep reapplying it. Doing this step last helps you achieve that salon-like finish. Doing your nails in the comfort of your own home will always save you time and money, and they can still look like that you got them done at the nail salon. If you guys watched towards the end of this video, let's comment the nails emoji, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and there will be a lot of press-on nails tutorials coming this year, so make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to join the harmony. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I will see you guys in my next video.